Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I want to share screen to you before. Okay. Hello, my name is Aulia Alfathin. I'm from Primary Education Program School of Postgraduate Studies, Indonesia University of Education, and I will present the results of my research as challenges and opportunities of the implementation limited face-to-face learning in the elementary school. Introduction. 1. In addition to economic problems, the COVID-19 pandemic has also targeted the education sector, so the learning activities were closed for 2 weeks. Kasih 2022, Khairia et al. 2021. 2. Implementing online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic has made the entire academic community experience a total change. Teachers must be familiar with technology-assisted online learning. Majid et al. 2021. 3. The condition of online learning gets a lot of criticism from various groups, especially parents of students. They regret the application of the online knowledge isn't partial and makes children's experience a decrease in the quality of learning. Saliha and Hanifa 2021. 4. Like the incident in November 2021, a school cluster was found, so the government temporarily closed face-to-face learning. Projo 2021. 5. Referring to this condition, it is necessary to conduct a study on face-to-face learning limited to elementary schools. The study aims to determine the opportunities and challenges of little face-to-face learning in elementary school. Method. This study used a qualitative method with a case study approach. The location of this research is SDIT Albina Purwakarta Regency. Data collection methods are 1. Observation, 2. In-depth interviews, and 3. Documentation. Data analysts use the following methods: 1. Data collection, 2. Data reduction, 3. Data presentation, and 4. Conclusions. Mills et al. 2040. And the result, I did the interview of YS. He said that we have prepared the need for facilities and infrastructure to support limited face-to-face learning, such as hand-washing facilities, thermogenic tables arranged at a distance, and the preparation of special rooms for students or teachers who are indicated to be sick. And 2, I did the interview of SM. She said that scheduling and implementation of limited learning has been carried out so that there are no codes in each class, especially the admission schedules and the return schedules. This has been implemented at this school. So that the application of face-to-face learning is limited face-to-face learning to a system safe. The school doesn't schedule so that each class does not meet simulation and there is not crowd. Moreover, The large number of school residents make these schedules to be effective and efficient. Discussion 1. The application of limited online learning is a solution to overcome the gap between students and expected competence. Parents also expect face-to-face learning to be implemented immediately so that children can learn optimally. 2. The implementation of online learning positively impact fulfilling competitions that haven't been taught during online learning. Offline learning can also apply the concept of hybrid learning or use technology in every learning activities. Majid et al. 2020, Putri et al. 2020. 3. All parties, schools, educators, students, and parents must be continue to maintain cleanliness and health so as to not become a medium for disease transmission, especially COVID-19. 4. The implementation of online learning has a big enough challenges for all parties, such as the preparation of educates, infrastructure to be used in limited face-to-face education, the parties of health workers if needed, and various other tools to support the implementation of these face-to-face activities. And the conclusion is 1. Limited face-to-face learning also means that learning is carried out by applying the concept of hybrid learning, namely a combination of online learning methods using technology or outside the classroom and offline learning or inside the classroom. 2. So in this case, but from the school, especially teachers are required to be ready to fulfill the facilities and infrastructure and teaching materials so that the implementation of learning can run optimally. 3. Of course, the role of parents is very influential in monitoring the development of children's learning while at home. With continuous parental support, children can be motivated to continue learning. And the last, so this case, the challenge in implementing limited face-to-face learning is the discipline in implementing health protocols for each school element so that it doesn't become a place for the spread of COVID-19 or become a school cluster. The opportunity is to improve learning competitions that were left behind when online learning took place. Okay, this is enough. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.